Hello young coders! Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo.AI, where learning coding is fun. In this video, we will continue our draw course. This time we are going for mission 2, where we are going to draw alphabet T. Let's get started. We will be using place pen, and then we will use move forward. We can take the help of grids like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we have 7 grids, which will help us for the robot to move 7 steps ahead. Then, we will use turn left by 90, so that it turns, and then we will again make it move forward by 4. We will be using backward instead, and this time, we will make sure that it reaches right away. So, we don't have place, we don't have pickup pen, so we will have to double, but we can say, we will have to overwrite the existing line to move backwards. So, let's wait for it to complete, and then we will look for it. So, you will see the code is getting highlighted with lighter color, and voila! We have our alphabet, and we have successfully passed the level. So, I hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe to CodeRobo.